Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today isn't that terrible? I literally have to look. Tuesday, December the 17th. And I had an idea. I wanted to put it out there on the channel to see what you guys think about it. I have not started my cookie baking yet. So I was wondering if I should do a cookie challenge, whether it's just myself or any other channels that get involved. I'm not sure yet. I do feel as if I'm behind schedule. Back in the day, I would have been doing cookies for 2 weeks by now. But times have changed, and what I was thinking about doing is the cookie challenge would consist of this. You either make one batch of cookies every day for 6 days, which today's the 17th. That would bring us, I think, to the 23rd. I'll double check that. Or, which is also content for the channel. My second idea was to, so let me see. You can either do one cookie recipe doubled a day for 6 days, or you can do 2 separate cookie recipes every day for 6 days. So that's the idea. I was getting ready to actually start some cookies because I got to get rocking and rolling and get moving here. But yeah, wanted to just hop on and see what your opinion is on the whole cookie challenge idea. Do we do a double batch of cookies every day for 6 days? Do we make it for 5 days? If we did it for 5 days, I would say, yeah, it probably has to be doubled. 6 days, you could probably bang out 2 different recipes, cookie recipes, every day for 6 days. So just wanted to put that out there, get some input on the channel, and see what you think. Now, what I'm leaning towards is I don't need a big scale of cookies this year. As I previously said, I'm an empty nester now, but I do want to have cookies on hand, obviously. And my other idea was, do I make the cookie dough, freeze it till later, or do I go with bake a cookie batter every single day for 6 days to get my family's favorite cookies done? So yeah, that's where we're at today. I wanted to quick hop on, get your opinion. So bottom line, cookies, either a double batch of the same recipe, 1 recipe per day. And if anyone wants to join this challenge, can leave me a comment down below. Leave your channel name. Or it's just, the double batch of cookies once a day for 6 days, or 2 different types of cookies every day for 6 days. Me personally, I could come up with 6 cookie dough recipes, but I would have to double them anyway. So I might be leaning towards 1 cookie dough batter every day for 6 days, and maybe do like my top 6 favorite cookies. So yeah, just wanted to hop on real quick, make this a short video just so I can get some input on what you think. And if I don't receive any comments, I guess we'll find out what I end up doing. But thank you for the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Glad to have you. Please subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. And make sure you check your notification bell. YouTube's been changing things. You need to go hit the all button so it notifies you every time I do a video. So with that being said, it is Tuesday here in Pennsylvania. It is almost 5 after 5. It's raining still, very gloomy here. And I'm getting ready to do my first batch of cookies. So that video will be coming out later on today. But yeah, just figured I would throw this one out there and see if there's any response, or if anyone has an opinion on cookie challenge so I can get this rocking and rolling. It's either pick a recipe and you do a double batch of that recipe, one cookie recipe every day for 6 days, or you do 2 separate cookie recipes every day for 6 days. As of right now, I'm leaning towards doubling my cookie dough and doing at least 6 different cookie dough recipes for the next 6 days. That will also bring, like I said, content to the channel, and I'll probably have you on the tripod, point you into the KitchenAid bowl the best I can, but maybe Santa will be good to me, and I'll get a camera to help the channel along. But thank you for your patience. Thank you for stopping by. And yeah, I just posted my Christmas tree video yesterday, fully decorated. Unfortunately, it was like a take 4 because I didn't realize that my Alexa was on in the background playing Christmas music. And yeah, I had to delete them. And then late last night, I quickly tried to do a redo, which I always feel like that never comes out the greatest. I think the first one was fabulous. But anyway, yeah, artificial tree, 7.5 foot. I did all the decorations, the lights. I have to tell you all about it. So if you didn't catch that video, that is the one right behind this video. And yeah, should we name this the cookie challenge? Or can I get 6 double batches of cookies done before the crunch is over, 6 days? So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Any opinions or suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. God bless. And I will see you on the cookie dough recipe that I am getting ready to record now. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.